Good morning. It is Thursday, June the 23rd, about 8:20. And the sun is out. Hope it doesn't rain. I'm supposed to go hiking this morning. Let's see. Hopefully I won't break another ankle. Alright, he's going to take the garbage when he goes exercise this morning. Bye. Wave. We got a good cruise here today.
Oh, listen, Dan, you're standing 6,000 feet closer to the sky on this magnificent.
That's all the rhododendrons here on Roan Mountain. Beautiful. Foggy up here. It's beautiful on the way up.
Quite as nice as we're in full bloom. Pretty close to
Well, we never caught him that sweaty. We've had all time too late.
last week we had some to go and today they're all and not so much for next, very little next year, and then they come back again.
Like a
3 year
cycle?
That's what he's saying.
Who would have
So where are
thought
we in
this,
that?
huh?
How much walking you do down there? We've never seen it.
Not worse. Got all the new growth on the evergreens. It's pretty. This is where a meteorite hit.
Well, that's natural bare that nothing's growing there. My goodness, I never heard that. We wondered if they were going to build something in there.
This is different soil than any place else in the mountains. This is nice. We got sidewalk to walk on all the way. Makes it really easy. There's more pretty ones up above. We came to another spot to hike. I don't know if you can see the fog blowing by or not. Probably not.
That's right.
This hike's going to be a half mile out and a half mile back.
Well, they probably like that blue one.
If the sun was up, this view is one of the best.
I like
Oh, we're on a different trail.
When we come back down, watch your step here. If you go straight down, watch it. Kind of go around to the left here. And your boots get slippery. You know, Seattle or the Northwest or something. All the,
It's pretty.
well, that's nice. The ferns and the log and the moss. Nice pictures. Straight down. You're right out on the grade.
It's a big rock. He just sat up there at the edge of the tree line. It dropped straight down. There's more rocks. There's a trail.
some little.
It's a fly cut.
Yeah, it's just something
Got
got
out.
away.
He got out.
Yeah, you have to build a better web than that. Maybe you didn't want to catch a fly. You wanted to catch something bigger.
Come into my parlor, said the spider to the
There's
fly.
a spider web.
Look at this frog.
Pretty big.
And that piece broke off.
There's another big rock.
Well, there.
Okay.
I'm glad
Thanks
you
for
listened.
sharing. Ranger.
Here's an overlook. Can't see the bulb. Down there's the cliff. Sun's trying to come out.
Yeah, you're in the highest. This is higher than grandfather.
Really? Really? I always thought grandfather was high.
Grandfather's 59. This is 62, and Mitchell's 64, I think.
Oh, there's not that much? How about that?
Now, when you go up on grandfather, you know, the cocktails and so on, when the sun sets, you're looking off here. That one is kind of shaped like this is Roan, that big hole.
Where's our...
It's a pretty tree. Hit it. Here's the pizza place. Part of the building. But we got dessert pizza first. I'm still waiting on mine. Everybody else is eating.
Pancakes?
There's my main pizza.
I don't know that pancakes.
Next to- There's the other piece.
You like pancakes? You like waffles?
There's the view from the pizza parlor. It's 1:40 and the golf cart and I made it safely up the hill. Batteries held up and took me right up, so that's good because that was been sitting down at the bottom of the hill like 4 hours without being charged, so we weren't sure after it sat that long if it would hold the charge, but it did. Larry's gone to shuffleboard. We're going back into Newland. I'm gonna go to the senior center and send Stephanie the directions. They're coming up tomorrow. Directions on how to get here. Here we are at the senior center. Larry's gonna go in and get his glass of tea. He certainly does like their tea. I think we were just here yesterday, Family Dollar.
I don't know. That took too far.
I want to look for a little thin plastic raincoat. One of those little thin plastic things. Folds up. We got all the flower boxes filled this afternoon. So just walk up through here and see them. I got a few little plants left I want to go back and fill in. Like I can squeeze a few more plants in this box. But should be pretty when they grow and fill in. That's it. Got the whole retaining wall filled. It's a little after 7 o'clock, so I'll say good night. God bless.